guys, welcome to my video. Now I will explain about how to make character keychain. Tools and material needed. The first, you can need a plaster, clear plaster. Next, pen. Next, hook. Next, double tip or glue. Scissor. And the last one, you need white paper. Okay, the first, you can find an image you want on the Google. For the example, you want image about a SpongeBob. You can copy image, and you can take the image on the microscope board. Next, print the image you have selected. Print the image. Print the image until like this. Next, laminating the image you have printed to make it look too solid. Laminating image. Next, cut the already laminated image in the neat shape. Cut the image with scissors. Cut the image until like this. Next, add the thick paper that has been cut into the back of image. You can cut the white paper, until like this. Next, give a clear plaster in the full paper. And give a glue on the paper. Take in the back image. Next, give a round shape on the center over the image as a hook holder. And the last one, input the hook into the round hole that has been made. Hook. Finally, character keychain so ready and can use character keychain. Thank you guys. Singkat.